This print-on-demand product is bringing in some Etsy sellers 5 figures monthly, and it's fairly new to print-on-demand, so I'm so excited to share it with you and show you a full step-by-step tutorial on how you can sell this product in your Etsy shops too. I predict that this product will sell especially well this spring and especially for Mother's Day. I just posted a video about all the different types of products that I predict will sell really well for Mother's Day, so be sure to go check that out. I will provide a link for it in the description below. And this was the most highly requested product for me to do a tutorial on. So let's get into it. Engraved jewelry. Guys, jewelry is one of the biggest selling products on Etsy. It has been forever. A lot of people will say it's oversaturated, but it's truly not, because there are many different types of jewelry that people are looking for, especially if you are able to add personalization, which we're going to talk about further along in this video. That will go a long way and get you even more sales. And you can engrave the jewelry too, which makes it even more personable and higher quality. Before we get into it, make sure that you are subscribed, because I am coming out with some fire predictions for this spring and summer that you're not going to want to miss to help you increase your Etsy and print-on-demand sales. Engraved jewelry is one of the most popular gift categories because it feels personal and meaningful. It's not just a necklace or a bracelet. It's customized with someone's name, date, or like a special message, which makes it way more special. And that's why people love buying it for birthdays or anniversaries, different holidays. And when people want personalized gifts, they usually come straight to Etsy, because Etsy is known for custom, unique products. And that's why engraved jewelry does extremely well here, because it's always in demand. And I want to show you guys again one more time with my EVERBEE research. I mean, take a look at these numbers here, 5 figures monthly, and these are all just one listing, right? I do have the sellers blurred out due to respect, but you can have access to all of this data. You can try EVERBEE out for free with the link in my description below to dive deeper into all of this. I also wanted to show you a really cool thing. So this listing's been up for 22 months. This is perfect. Let me click into this. I love this part of EVERBEE because it has a trend graph and we're able to see over time how it has sold. Now, this was listed in March of 2024 and it's made consistent sales every single day. And like I said in the beginning of this video, how there's going to be, consistent sales because it's an evergreen product, but then it's also going to spike like crazy on specific holidays, right? So there's so much powerful potential in selling this type of product. Look at the lifetime revenue this product has brought in since 2024, almost $1 million, guys. Do you see this? This is a person who listed this on Etsy. This could be you. I'm not saying the one listing is going to get you rich overnight. Like, please do not think that that's what I'm implying here. Not every listing is going to make crazy sales like that, but I like to show that as inspiration so that you can see the potential here. It's insane. And the best part is the profit margin, because people are willing to pay premium prices for personalized pieces, like $71, $122. The actual production cost is surprisingly low. And later in this video, I will show you Printify, where you can get high quality engraved jewelry for very reasonable prices, which makes this a really great product to sell. I don't know if you can hear the excitement in my voice, but I am so pumped about this, and I hope you can feel it too, because this is going to be such a great product to add to our Etsy shop. One, for our customers, and two, for us to bring in that extra cash flow. Now, the thing is, parts of this will be oversaturated, right? Like, we're getting to the point where I think these custom ones, where like this was once an awesome grand idea to put people's handwriting. That's amazing. I do feel like if we were to try to do this right now, it's going to be overdone and saturated. So we do have to be smart about the niches that we choose to list these products in, so that you can stand out in a so-called crowded market, if that makes sense. But do not let saturation steer you away from this opportunity. I'm going to show you a prime example actually. It was my mom's birthday recently and she's been into golf lately. So I got her earrings that were in the golf niche, right? So random. Years ago, I would have never thought to do that, right? But I was thinking, what's my mom into right now? What would be cute for her and to wear when she golfs with her girlfriends, you know? It was just a cutesy, fun present. That is so niched down for engraved jewelry right now. Let's see, actually, engraved jewelry golf. Okay, so it doesn't look like there's too much demand for it. A lot of these listings have 0 sales, but that's why we do product research, guys, right? I just thought I had a really great idea and I could have just ran right to Printify and thrown up a bunch of golf listings and they're most likely not going to sell. These aren't really in demand here. However, people did have the idea to do them. They still might make some sales, but this is why this was just a prime example of why I say do your product research first. Now, one niche that is kind of niched down in this area, but it's definitely going to be in demand, is for graduation. And these sales tend to spike in the springtime, right? Because everybody's graduating in May. People are looking for gifts. Here's actually one right here that I actually believe this is a Printify product. So shout out to whoever's on this already. I'm not going to show the shop. I'm being respectful to our shop owners here. And please do not copy exactly what people are doing. Come up with your own designs. But I wanted to show you an example of how this works for the graduation niche. Here's another example. It doesn't have any sales yet, but it's a cute idea. Their name and their class. I mean, obviously in the mom niche, jewelry is huge. This is going to be a little bit more saturated, but if you can find a way to stand out in this niche with jewelry, game over, your shop's going to explode. So definitely dabble in it, but don't spend too much of your time because there is a lot of competition in this niche already. Engraved jewelry in the wedding niche could also blow your shop up. We're talking about wedding dates or location coordinates of where they got married, the last name on the jewelry. There's a bunch of different things that you can engrave on jewelry in the wedding niche and even the bachelorette niche. Or maybe even when I had my wedding, I gave all of my bridesmaids a gift when I asked them to be in my wedding. You could do like a bridesmaid's gift with jewelry. These are all different ways to niche down instead of just being in the, short tail keyword of engraved jewelry where it's oversaturated. You need to make sure that you are niching down further so that you have a better chance of standing out. All right, now that we've seen some examples and we have some niche ideas, we're going to jump into Printify. I'm going to show you the different options and how you can set this all up so that it's easily published to your Etsy shop. Okay, so in Printify, we're going to go to catalog and I'm actually going to we could go to engraving here. They have other engraved products, but we're going to go to jewelry specifically because that's what we're talking about here. And I'm going to show you some of my favorites that stand out to me. I'm a crystal girly. I don't know about you guys. I love bracelets that have stone on them, jewelry that has stone on it. Quick little side backstory. When I first started on Etsy, it was in like 2013, I think. I started selling paintings and then a couple years later, I started selling my own jewelry and I would buy beads like this. Oh my gosh, I would buy a bunch of beads like this and try to make my own jewelry. And I gave up, guys, because a couple times I would drop the string and the beads would go all over the living room floor. And it was so frustrating. And I started getting orders actually, but then I would be so frustrated that I'd have to sit there and make it. And half the time I was like, this isn't even worth it. Like the beads were all over the place. And now Printify has them. Oh my gosh. If this would have just been such a blessing to me back then to have Printify just do it for me. That just like seriously brought me back full swing. And I love this because you can engrave right here. Here's an example of like what it would look like. But there's all different types of stones here. Here are the different types of jewelry stones. They look super pretty. I'm definitely going to be ordering one of these and I will do a tutorial, of course, and show you guys the sample of the product when I have it in hand. But these are really nice. Like this would be beautiful for like a bachelor party or for the groom on his wedding day. This would be really great. There's so many options. And And then rose quartz, I don't know if you're familiar, but rose quartz is like the stone of love. This could be used for so many things. Wedding day for a bride, or bridesmaids, or bachelorettes, or for someone's anniversary, or Valentine's Day. There's even more meaning by selling these bracelets because the stones actually mean something as well. So super interesting. And the price of this is about $20 with the production cost and the shipping. So you could sell this for like anywhere between like $30 to $50 and get a really great profit margin from that. I knew it. Here is that bracelet here that somebody listed. It's really sweet. Again, about $20. I really love these bars here. I remember one of my friends gifted one to me when I was getting married with my wedding date on it. Super cute. Here are these best friend necklaces. So fun. This could be super fun for a bachelorette idea or just best friend necklaces in general. There are just so many options here. And it's not just necklaces, you know, it's bracelets. There's even rings. So let's click into this one, for example. Start designing. You don't even need to make a design outside of Printify for this either. It's too easy. And I'm going to show you what I mean. I mean, surely you can, but in my eyes for this, since we don't have to make designs for it, it's like, why not just do it all within Printify? It's so simple. And it's even easier because when it's personalized, it can be synced up to your Etsy shop. So you don't have to manually put these in. Printify will do it for you whenever you get an order. So we're going to do personalize here, add personalizable text. I think coordinates are so fun and such like a unique gift idea. So I'm going to use that for here. We're going to look up Printify's coordinates. Okay, so their headquarters is located in Wilmington, Delaware. Here is their coordinates. I'm copying them. And right here, I'm going to paste that in. And we're going to pull this out more, bring this down. Coordinates can be really sweet for where somebody's getting married, or if they bought a new house, or where a couple met, or wherever a location is really significant to somebody in their life. For my wedding, my cousin gifted me a sign with the coordinates, and I just love it. So this is just a really sweet, special, sentimental gift for somebody. Now we can also change the font by coming up here. They have plenty of fonts. That's why I'm saying it's not really, you don't really have to go out into a design platform to do this. And you can also select the types of variants. So they have the black, the gold, the rose gold, and then also the rainbow, which looks pretty cool. I'll show you a preview of it. It's like this iridescent. That would be really fun for like, my daughter would love this. Actually, I love it too, to be honest. I'll show you what the other ones look like too. Here's the stainless steel and black. I don't know about black and okay, yeah, it works. It works. That's the other thing I want to mention too. If you're making your design outside of Printify or even in Printify, the font needs to be black for it to show up best. Let's check out the gold. Nice. And let's do rose gold. Perfect. So those are all of the options. You can list all of these on your Etsy shop so people have an option. Right now, Printify doesn't have a bunch of different mockups for these. So I will provide a video about how you can make mockups when you don't have the actual product in hand or a product that you could use from Printify. I will link that video in the description below, how I make my mockups when this happens. And then if you want to go all out in your jewelry shop, there are also jewelry boxes that you can sell in your shop as well. And if for some wild reason you don't have your Etsy print on demand shop up yet, what are you waiting for? I made it so easy for you. In the description below, there is a link to my free step-by-step tutorial on how to set everything up. I basically hold your hand through the whole process. So stop procrastinating and get your shop up today. And if you have your Etsy shop up and running and you're still struggling to make sales, I offer Etsy shop reviews where I go through your shop. I send you a video recording of it. I talk about the things that you are doing right. I find the things that are hurting your sales and let you know how to fix those things with a bunch of other gems along the way. If you're interested in learning more about my Etsy shop reviews, again, with the link in my description below, you can learn more. Overall, I am so excited about this new product addition to Printify. I can't wait to order some myself. I don't know about you guys. I have my eye on quite a few of those products. I will be ordering them and I will be doing a sample review for all of you, of course. So again, subscribe so that you don't miss out on that and more print on demand tutorials. Thank you so much for being here. As always, I'll see you in the next video.